Alright, today we're going to be talking about different color modes, and we're going to be looking at a couple videos here. This first one we're going to talk about the actual modes you can choose from in Photoshop. So if you have an image open like this one, this is at the Atlas coal mine in southern Alberta. If you open up your images and go to mode, so image mode, you can choose a number of different modes for different purposes. So if we choose grayscale, as it says here, it'll get rid of the color, which we don't necessarily want to do. I'll just show you what it looks like if we do that. There we go, it's converted it to a black and white. Color profile is gone. We also have a couple other modes here. We have RGB. So RGB is red, green, blue. Those colors mixed together with white light create the millions of colors that we see in our photos on screens. So it doesn't matter if that's a TV or a computer monitor, your cell phone, that's where we'll see all those colors coming together to create the images that we're trying to represent through our photos. So other modes, CMYK, that stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black, or you could just say black. Those are colors that are mixed together physically. So that's your ink in your printer. And so you mix all those colors together with the color of the paper that you have, you're going to get the colors from your photo. Now the problem is when we're working with RGB and we're working with CMYK, there is a visible difference between the two because one is working with light and one's not. And so your RGB images tend to be a little more vibrant. And so when you go and print an RGB, your picture will sometimes be a little darker or a little less, it will have a little less oomph with the color. It won't be as vibrant, won't be as bright. And so if that's the case, you can always make corrections. And in some cases, people will use lab color. And lab color stands for lightness, and the A and B stand for a combination of colors. Your A is your red and green, and your B is your blue and yellow. And you can manipulate each of these different color channels in Photoshop. So we're going to show you how to do that in the next video.